a house I'm drawn to. Familiar settings, nothing new. And there's a pathway leading there, with a haunting chill in the air. There's a room at the top of the stairs. Every night I'm drawn up there. And there's a girl in the mirror. Her face is getting clearer. Young child, won't you tell me why I'm here? In her eyes, I sense a story never told. Behind the disguise, there's something tearing at her soul. Tonight I'm searching for it. I'm feeling it deep inside me. Tonight I'm searching for the one that you're gonna know. Trying to break free. doesn't make any sense, this tragic ending. In spite of the evidence, there's something still missing. Heard some of the rumors told, a taste of one's well. Did Victoria wound us all? Did she bid him farewell? We'll lay down today until we fade away. We'll lay down today. We slowly fade
You are once again surrounded by a brilliant white light. Allow the light to lead you away from your past and into this lifetime. As the light dissipates, you will slowly fade back into consciousness, remembering all you have learned. When I tell you to open your eyes, you will return to the present, feeling peaceful and refreshed. Open your eyes, Nicholas.
Friday evening, the blood still on my hands. To think that she would leave me now, for that I'm grateful, man. Sole survivor, witness to the crime. I must act fast to cover up, I think that there's still time. Hate seem hopeless and lost with this note. They'll buy into the words that I wrote. This feeling inside me finally found my love. I finally broke free. No longer torn in two, I take my own life before losing you. inside me finally found my life. I'm finally free, no longer torn in two. I learned about my life by through you.